Hi, it's me, Donnie, from the Philomath Montessori School. And today we're going to start learning about triangles. Many of you are already familiar with triangles. I love triangles because they are the constructors of other straight-sided shapes. For this lesson, you do not need to be able to write to enjoy this lesson. Anyone can enjoy this lesson. But if you like writing, you might want to go and get a chalkboard or a whiteboard or your notebook or a piece of paper and something hard to put it on and a pencil. So pause the video and fetch your writing materials if you want them, and I'll wait. Oh, good. You're back with your writing materials. Great. You probably already know that a triangle is a shape made of 3 straight intersecting sides and 3 angles. Let's learn the names of the parts of the triangle. The base is the bottom line of the triangle. That's the base. The vertex is the highest or tallest or uppermost point of the triangle. The altitude is an invisible line from the base to the vertex. And the angles are where 2 lines of the triangle intersect. That creates the angles. You don't have to write these down yet. I'm going to show you how to write them in a little bit. After the video is over, I think it would be fun for you today to make some triangles. There's only one rule. They have to have 3 lines. Oh, and the lines have to intersect. So I guess there's 2 rules. But there's all different kinds of triangles. These are just some. And if you just experiment with putting 3 different lines together so they intersect, you're going to come up with some really interesting triangles. So you can do that today. After you draw your triangles, maybe you could highlight the parts of the triangles. Could you color the base in a special color? You could give the base a special color. You could give the vertex a special color, just to show how special the vertex is. And you could show the altitude. I would show the altitude with a dotted line because you don't see it with your eyes. You just know it's there. The altitude is the imaginary line that extends from the base to the vertex. And you could even show your angles. A triangle has 3 angles. There's one, there's one, there's one. It's the space where the 2 intersecting lines come together. So you could do that with any kind of triangle. You could highlight the parts. Okay, now you're going to need your writing materials. So get those arranged. Make sure you're sitting properly for writing, because I want you to write the names of the parts of the triangle. Let me get this as close as possible. So you can pause the video and just freeze it right there on those names so that you can copy them. And take as long as you need. I will wait. Did you write them all down? Did you write base? Remember the base is the bottom line. Did you write vertex? That's the highest part of your triangle. Did you write altitude? Altitude is the imaginary line from the base to the vertex. Did you write angles? Those are the areas where the intersecting lines come together. So today I invite you to experiment with drawing triangles. Remember, the only rule is that it has to have 3 lines that intersect. That will create your 3 angles. After you draw your triangles using a straight edge, maybe you can draw them freehand. Maybe you don't need a straight edge. I needed a straight edge. You could cut them out maybe. Maybe you could cut them out from the paper. Maybe you will highlight the parts in colors. Have a great time exploring triangles today. I have another lesson planned about triangles. There's more to learn, so come back for that lesson some other time. Have a great day. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.